Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Apecoin video because Ape is up right now 10%. So the question is what's happening next. We did already another update on Apecoin previously, and it was looking good already then, but right now it's it's starting to look a little bit better, so we're gonna talk about that. It's still not out of this bigger falling channel towards downside. As you can see over here, this big huge channel that's been going forever down here. We came into this accumulation box up here. Right now we're getting out of that accumulation box, and accumulation box goes for something I would say after this capitulation over here below the levels over here towards downside over here, something like that. Right now you can see up here we are actually getting out of those levels towards upside, so that's actually very nice, but we are still not out of the bigger channel up here towards upside where we have these big moves and blow off top eventually at some kind of high levels. That said, during this accumulation phase towards downside we've been going sideways over here, and we came a couple of weeks ago we came out of that box, and we did make a video already on Apecoin back then. But right now what's happening is that we are out of that side of this sideways channel. We are actually going up very speedy towards upside, and if you look at a daily time frame up here, we are having a new channel up here that's right now rising. So the 10% up here, so right now we are up right now, that's only this 10 or 11% right now. It was up like 18% during the day, but right now the target is only the top of the channel up here towards upside. It still needs a little bit time until it actually gets all the way towards upside up here, but it's already starting to look good. So if you actually go to the weekly time frame over here, you also see something very interesting. If you clean up everything and pop some moving averages up here on the chart, what you see here at right now during this downtrending channel up here, this yellow line, that's the 50 moving average. These two are 10 and 20 moving average over here on the downside. We managed to climb above 10 20 moving average up here. We came above the 50 moving average. We created doji up here, managed to hold the level up here. So what's happening right now over here is that these moving averages are turning this side towards upside, and right now we are actually just looking to get out of the bigger channel and towards upside. So this all looks good and dandy. The question is how high, where the major resistance level are and stuff like that, right? So the first level of resistance all the way at 3.6, which is very expected. Even on the day monthly time frame up here, we actually managed to create a higher high on the chart. So this accumulation box down here is all already over, bouncing from 10 moving average. So the next major level of resistance is 3.6. I mean the 20 moving average is important, but right now 3.6 up here is important. Then we got a couple of more levels up here at the top, 4.6, and over here at 6.7. These are also major levels of resistance. And after these three, the only major level of resistance when it comes to Apecoin is all the way at 20 bucks. Now, will we get to 20 bucks? That depends, guys. That depends. That depends on a lot of factors. But doing this first move to 3.6, that's the only thing I'm looking at right now. 3.6. Then maybe a 4.6, and then after that we're gonna see how high we can get to 6.7, and after that we come into this zone, which is actually technically an empty box up here towards upside. I mean, there are levels of resistance up here at the top over here at 11 bucks and 14 bucks and all the way at 16 bucks over here on the small time frames like weekly, but on monthly time frame this is technically a empty box. So the major move Apecoin needs to do is get above 6.7. Once above 6.7, it's just gonna go so fast. At least that's my opinion right now on the coin and how this is actually playing out. But the fact that it's up 10% right now towards upside is actually very good. So let's go a little bit more back towards downside over here to get our channels. Like we said in the start, this rising channel up here right now that's going a little bit speedy, and right now we are having this 20% pump up here towards upside. Right now we're breaking again back above this midline over here towards upside. I expect this to go a little bit sideways up here before it actually breaks towards upside over here, and then continues towards upside. But it does look good, and it is very nice that it's finally doing something, because for weeks, technically not for weeks, but it's kind of felt like over here it's kind of standing still, but it is moving like everything else. And we've been watching a lot of coins right now, this one included. If you go over here, we got our members only videos. Today even we made a video up here. I might buy these members only videos right here on YouTube. We have TF Fans Club community, so if you want to join our Telegram channel, get the altcoins video and stuff like that, you might want to check that out. But we talked about Apecoin and other coins as well, Mana Sand, Metaverse coins, meme coins, AI coins and stuff like that in the channel. But everything looks good, guys. Everything looks good, and it's only question when it's gonna break. And the way we see it right now, Technically, maybe soon. Technically, maybe soon. This is on the weekly time frame. Daily time frame up here is also climbing very nicely on the moving averages towards upside. So, you know, it should go very, very soon. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys. And why is my camera all the way on the side over here? I don't know. Depends. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.